So I genuinely believe that don't use 4 words if you can say something in 2 words. Don't use 2 words if you can say something without any words.
और ये लोग आजाद घूम रहे हैं, कब तक ये हम पर डिपेंड करता है?
I have never ever seen a film or a serial on my phone, and I never will.
We must pursue an investigation.
He wants to go diving, he wants to go rock climbing, he wants to do everything. My other son doesn't want to do anything. He just wants to pade raho.
Mr. Chadda, there are no born criminals.
ऐसे कोई ऑफर मिला है कभी बंगाली फिल्म में?
Very sad.
कि हम आखिरी बार साथ में कब दुखी थे दीपांकर?
I'm feeling pretty jailed.
নমস্কার দা বলে আপনাদের স্বাগত। আমি যার সঙ্গে বসে রয়েছি তিনি পর্দায় খুব কম কথা বলেন, শুধু অভিনয়টাই রয়েছে তার মধ্যে। আর যেটা রয়েছে সেটা হচ্ছে বুদ্ধিদীপ্ততা, ইন্টেলিজেন্স তো বটেই, তার সঙ্গে যেটা রয়েছে সিম্পলিসিটি। আমার সঙ্গে রয়েছেন শেফালি শাহ।
Hello.
হাই ম্যাম। ডু ইউ নো দিস প্লেস ইজ ইটস আ প্রিজন?
I know.
So you have
I'm
seen...
feeling pretty jailed right now with you around. No, I'm kidding. Yes, I know it's a prison.
और आपके साथ तो प्रिजन का बहुत ताल्लुक
लंबा
है।
रिश्ता है। I know.
तो आपने घूमा इस जगह पे? नहीं। तो मैम ये आई बिलीव ये जो वर्ड है, तो मैं सोच रहा था जो बिलीफ है हम लोग का वो उस पर हम क्या स्टिक कर सकते हैं? मतलब ये बहुत शेक हो जाता है ना, जैसे जो बिलीफ है हम लोग का वो क्या स्टेबल हो सकता है?
नहीं हो सकता, बिकॉज हर दिन हम लोग खुद इवॉल्व हो रहे हैं और एवरीथिंग अराउंड यू अफेक्ट्स योर बिलीफ, बट ऑल्सो यू आर चेंजिंग. जो मुझे कुछ साल पहले लगता था ये तो होना ही नहीं चाहिए, over some time I feel it's okay if it happens. You know, so your belief cannot be stable, and ideally it should not be. It should be evolving with the time, with how things happen around.
मैं आपका बहुत सारा फिल्म OTT देख चुका हूँ. आपका जो आँखें हैं इट्स एक्सप्रेस सो मच देन योर वर्ड्स. डू यू ऑल्सो थिंक दैट? ये ऐसे कॉम्प्लीमेंट आपको मिला है कभी?
Yes.
सो कैसा लगता है जब आप स्क्रीन पे जाते हो, जब बहुत सारे लोग रहते हैं वहाँ पे एक्टिंग करना, जब एक्टिंग बंद हो जाता है, मतलब कैमरा ऑफ हो जाता है, हाउ द पीपल रिएक्ट्स?
Normally when, I mean, like if it's a very tough scene, then obviously all of us are completely involved and engrossed in that scene. And agar if it's an emotionally draining scene, तो cut होने के बाद we all go back to our own space because we want to continue to be in the space or move on with the scene. But otherwise, if it's an easier scene, then there is a lot of, you know, it's a lot of fun and laughter and banter. So yeah.
मैम ऐसा कभी हुआ है जो कैरेक्टर आपने किए हो उसके साथ इतना कनेक्शन हो गया जो आप निकल नहीं पा रहे हो, ऐसा कुछ हुआ है कभी भी?
Not really. और मुझे लगता है ये इसलिए है because जब मैं एक सीन करती हूँ ना, I give it everything I have. So I have nothing left to take back home with me. It's like that.
Do you think silence is another character in a scene?
I think silence is strength. Particularly on camera. We have the privilege of a camera. It catches the smallest of nuances. So I genuinely believe that don't use 4 words if you can say something in 2 words. Don't use 2 words if you can say something without any words.
जब इतना in the ages of this OTT and films, reels and short videos are very much with new guys, मतलब Gen Z वगैरह, कैसा लगता है? मतलब ये रह जाएगा या the films जो छोटा हो जा रहा है, 30 मिनट का हो रहा है, कभी भी 10 seconds का भी हो रहा है, आपको कैसा लगता है इन हाई?
See, cinema is timeless. That is going to stay. But there are going to be new mediums. And which is exactly what evolving with time is. लोगों का attention span बहुत छोटा है. लोग जब, you know, from home to work, जब travel कर रहे होते हैं, they are watching a show or a series on their phone. So this also made as a vertical content now. And they don't have the patience or energy to invest. But there are certain people who will still go only to the theatre. If there is a show, I have never ever seen a film or a serial on my phone, and I never will.
Why?
I don't like it. I will watch it on a screen and I will sit and watch all 8 episodes together.
Okay.
That is how much I love watching it. So it's not a side by thing. You know, when I'm watching it, I'm only going to watch that. So yeah.
मैम 3 of us में जो मेमोरी है, the part only memory is a character also. After 2000, do you think this simple relationship stories will go on? It high ending society, rapid life?
It's a very interesting question. I don't know. I don't know if the next generation or the coming generation understands space, patience, time. Everything is so fast. I don't know whether they enjoy just being and doing nothing. But I think it varies from person to person. So, like I have two sons. Okay, when we go to travel, my one son wants to do everything. Matlab, he wants to go diving, he wants to go rock climbing, he wants to do everything in those 2 days. My other son doesn't want to do anything. He just wants to pade raho at the beach and enjoy the view. That's it. Now, there are two very different types of people. So it's also person to person. But yeah, I don't know if the simplicity of things,
The Tehrav?
the simplicity of things is, I don't know if the future generation can really understand enjoying it. And maybe they will, but when they are older. Right now, if I'm expecting Tehrav from a 23 and a 24-year-old, it's unrealistic.
Does it scare you?
No, it doesn't scare me. I mean, it's their life.
Kolkata Connection Films and you is the last year. So Rituparna Ghosh is, So do you think of coming back here, Kolkata, and doing some films?
I would love to. I would love to. I want to do films in every possible language if I can. I want to do Marathi cinema. I want to work in the South. I want to do films here. So if I get something wonderful, I hope some wonderful director.
I can give you a compliment. You look like a Bengali because you have so much connection. You paint, you cook, and your mom is. I heard that you are homeopathic.
My mom is a doctor. Yeah.
And here Bengalis are keen towards homeopathy than allopathy.
Okay.
So there's a connection. There's a lot of connection with.
But a lot of people have told me that I look like a Bengali.
Yes.
Yeah.
So does the eminent person, known faces?
I mean, I don't remember who, but I have been told that I do look like a Bengali.
यहाँ से कोई ऑफर मिला है कभी बंगाली फिल्म में?
Very sad. I'm hoping कि आपका इंटरव्यू देखकर I do get some offers.
ठीक.
I genuinely mean it. I'm not just saying it.
बंगाली में क्या अच्छा लगता है आपको? बंगालीज में?
That it's a matriarchal society. That women have a voice and it's not silenced. And there is so much poetry and there is fluidity, there is poetry. And poetry, when I say poetry, I don't mean in words or verses. I mean, there is a poetry in the way they move, everything. And then there is strength and there is ferociousness. So I think it's amazing.
When you see the women of Kolkata, how do you feel?
That's what I just said, that there's something very lyrical.
What do you want to take from them if you want to?
Well, I'm sure every woman everywhere in the world has something or the other you can learn from or, grasp. I wouldn't be able to pinpoint and tell you. But I think all women have some amazing stories to tell, amazing stories to teach.
Thank you, ma'am. I have only 5 questions, rapid fire. So the first question is, dialogue या silence?
Silence.
Lead role या layered supporting role?
Both.
Great. Fame या freedom?
Freedom.
Script or director?
And actually, that's a choice that I've realized. So if I get a script from a new director, and if the script is phenomenal, I will say yes. Because I feel that अगर ये director ने ये लिखा है, तो कुछ तो होगा. And the other side is, if I get a one-line story from a director who I respect and I want to work with, I will say script nahi hai, it's fine. I will do it on the punt. I will take this punt and I will work with this person. ये भरोसे पे कि I'm sure he'll do something great about it.
Great. Crying on screen or easy or exhausting?
Crying is exhausting. Or feeling any kind of emotion. It's not easy to bear yourself and make yourself vulnerable in front of the camera. It's not easy. So it is exhausting. It takes a lot out of you. It drains you emotionally.
Great. Last question. What is the toughest emotion that needs expression and everything to portray on screen?
Toughest emotion? There isn't one emotion. Because at every point of time, it's always multi-layered. It's never just one emotion. And that's the beauty of cinema, that you can actually explore. That is the challenge for you as an actor, because it's never just one single emotion.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. এরকম অনেক আড্ডা সাক্ষাৎকার দেখার জন্য এবং জানার জন্য দ্য ওয়াল সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন, আর নিচে একটা বাটন আছে সেটাতে ক্লিক করুন, সব নোটিফিকেশন আপনার কাছে চলে যাবে। আমার সঙ্গে ক্যামেরা সৌপ্তিক, আমি শুভঙ্কর, দ্য ওয়াল।